Welcome back. BJP-MGP alliance may not continue for 2017 Goa Assembly election. Bharatiya Janata Party is planning strategy for the election. Sources inform that majority of the party MLAs and leaders are inclined to go without alliance for 2017 Assembly election. BJP's National Organizational Secretary V. Satish held meeting with party leaders on Thursday. Meeting will continue for next 2 days.
The meeting was attended by Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar, Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar, Union Minister for Ayush Shripad Naik, Party President Vinay Tendulkar and party office bearers including Party Organising Secretary Satish Dhon. Sources inform that party has discussed strategy for 2017 Assembly election. Majority of the leaders are inclined to go solo for the Assembly election. Sources inform that BJP-MGP alliance may not continue for 2017 Assembly election.
मीटिंग ती आमची ऑर्गनायझेशनल सेटअप आसा न्ही ताजी केन्नाचे 6 म्हयन्यान किंवा 8 म्हयन्यांनी अशी मीटिंग जाता. आमचे ऑल इंडियाचे संघटन मंत्री बाबा व्ही सतीश म्हणून ते आसा तांचे कडेन गोवा आणि इतर सावथाचे राज्य आसात ते आयिल्ले त्यामुळे आमचे ऑर्गनायझेशनल सेटअप जो आसा त्या संदर्भान मीटिंग जाल्ली तातूंतल्यान गव्हर्नमेंटाचे हाजे तशें कांय चर्चा ना.
The issue of Organising Secretary Satish Dhon was also discussed during the meeting. Some of the MLAs opine that Satish Dhon is interfering in their works. They are not happy with the conduct of Satish and hence they want him transferred. Meeting with V. Satish will continue for next 2 days. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
RBI is working towards recognizing problem and getting down non-performing assets. Reserve Bank of India Governor Raghuram Rajan said this while addressing media after the central bank's board meeting in Goa. He also informed that other issues like economic outlook and recent policy development were also discussed during the meeting. RBI Governor also feels that legislative changes are needed to take forward financial sector.
We met today at the board and essentially discussed a number of issues starting with the economic outlook as well as recent policy developments, but also focused very much on issues concerning the system such as cyber security, such as supervising the nature of technical capabilities of our banks, the new payment banks which are going to be very IT intensive, as well as the small finance banks. Third, we discussed legislative changes that would be needed to take forward the financial sector. We are doing everything we can to work with the banks to recognize the problem, to try and deal with it, and over time bring down the non-performing loans. The history of NPLs in the past in the banking sector has been that a combination of actions by the banks as well as growth tends to restore bank health. Now, the recovery is a slow recovery is underway, so I think that will help. But we are doing everything we can on the regulatory side to make sure that these bad assets are recognized, problems are dealt with, and we move forward.
Draft IT policy will be launched on 23rd May. CM Parsekar announced it while informing that RFQ has been sought for appointing consultants for IT Park in Chimbel and Electronic City in Perne. CM further informed that government has acquired land for the Electronic City and road, water, power and broadband connectivity is underway. He said road connectivity to the Electronic City will commence within 10 days' time. The connectivity project is estimated to cost almost 1 crore 10 lakhs.
Better late than never. ह्या शासनान ठोस पावलां उचलून पेडणे ESDM इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी करता ताच्या खातीर सरकारची जागा ताब्यान आयिल्ली आसा. त्या जाग्यात कनेक्टिविटी रोडान रस्त्यान कनेक्टिविटी करपा खातीर रस्त्याचे टेंडरूय जाला 1 कोटी 10 लाखाचे. काल 8 तारखेक टेंडर उगडलो आणि रस्त्याचे कामय 8-10 दिसांत सुरू जातले. थंय पावर वचूंक जाय त्याची व्यवस्था जाल्ली आसा, थंय उदक वचूंक जाय त्याची व्यवस्था जाल्ली आसा, थंय ब्रॉडबँड पावूंक जाय त्याची व्यवस्था जाल्ली आसा. IT पॉलिसी येणाऱ्या 23 तारखेक IT पॉलिसीचो ड्राफ्ट लॉन्च करतात. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी म्हणजे साधारणपणे हो मोबाईल आसा ते एसिमिलेट करपाची जागा. मोबाईल आसात, कॉम्प्युटर आसात किंवा अन्य उपकरणां आसात ही एसेंबल करपाची जागा, ताकाच जोडीक म्हणून आमी चिंबल म्हणटात ते IT पार्क करपाची तशीच पावलां उचललेली आसात. ह्या दोनूय जाग्याचेर IT सिटी किंवा IT पार्क आणि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी उबारपा खातीर कन्सल्टंट्सा खातीर आमी RFQ मागयल्लो आसा आणि आमकां प्रपोजल्सूय आयिल्ले आसात.
Goa police foiled escape plan of an Israeli drugs peddler. Initially, the Israeli inmate Neriai Ben David, with the help of his associate Carter, succeeded to run away from the police custody. But soon, both were captured in a joint operation by IRB police team, Agasai police and highway police.
Israeli under-trial drug peddler Neriai Ben David on Thursday was brought to GMC from Sada jail for treatment. Under the conspiracy, his associate Carter sprayed chili spray on the escort team and both escaped out of the GMC. Neriai got a bike and he headed towards Ponda and Carter started running towards Akshi. GRP cops posted at GMC with the help of locals chased and captured Carter. On the other side, a team of Akshi police with the help of highway police traced and arrested Neriai. Both are presently in Akshi police custody. Mukesh Kumar and Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.